Here's my strawberry now, guys. And ta-da! There's red now. Yeah, so but it's not fully red yet. The back is uh still orange. So but the bird's gonna eat that now, so I have to protect it. And what I gonna use are these bags here, mesh bag. So I gonna cover them so the birds won't eat them. So I'll just cover the big ones. See, guys, there's a lot there now. Okay, so yeah, gonna show you to you guys how I gonna cover them. So just the one strawberry, because the others I'll just cover them when they're already turning when they're already big and turning red. This one only. And we also got squirrels here, so I really have to protect them. So just the mesh so the air can still go in, you know, but the birds can't get that now. Just tie it a bit. Yeah, just like that. And then I'll just cover the others now.